Alright, here we are again with another Instax Mini loading video, this time for the Mini 12, which is pretty exciting. Alright, now let's get a fresh pack of film out in 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to put this inside its new camera. So first we have to open up the camera. Up at the top here is a little tiny button you can pull down, open up the door, and we can get the film in. Now I'm going to swap my hands over a little bit here. And there we go, and of course I've got it upside down. Easy way to tell that I've got it upside down is that yellow dot at the top of the pack has to line up with the top of the camera. And you can see it just slides straight in like that, nice and easy. We should get a nice satisfying click. Oh, there we go, excellent. And first things first, we're going to swivel the lens around to on, press the button, bang, you get a flash. That's normal, that's what you want to see. And you'll see the protective like dark slide thing will shoot out and your camera is ready to roll. If you want to see how many photos you have left, you've got a nice little counter down the bottom right hand corner of the back of the camera. So you see mine's naturally 10 because it's a fresh pack. And that's that, you're ready to roll. If you like what you see, subscribe. If you don't, that's cool too. Catch ya.